In the world of interior design, there is perhaps no pairing more iconic, timeless, or calming than wood and white. This duo forms the backbone of some of the most celebrated minimalist movements, from the airy heights of Scandinavian hygge to the meditative depths of Japanese zen. When combined correctly, these two elements create a space that feels clinical yet organic, modern yet ancient, and expansive yet cozy. However, achieving the perfect balance is harder than it looks. Too much white, and your apartment can feel like a cold laboratory. Too much wood, and it can begin to feel like a cramped mountain cabin. Mastering the wood and white aesthetic is about understanding the temperature, the texture, and the ratio of your materials. If you are looking to ground your minimalist apartment with this classic combination, here is how to strike the perfect balance for a home that feels sophisticated and serene. 1. The 70-30 rule, establishing your foundation. In a minimalist apartment, you rarely want an exact 50-50 split between wood and white. This can create a visual tug-of-war where the eye doesn't know where to rest. Instead, follow the 70-30 rule. 70% white. The canvas, use white for your largest surfaces, the walls, the ceilings, and perhaps your largest kitchen cabinets. This provides the negative space that allows the room to breathe and reflects natural light to make the apartment feel larger. 30% wood. The anchor, use wood for the elements that you touch or interact with, the flooring, the dining table, or a statement shelving unit. The wood acts as the soul of the room, providing a warm contrast to the vast white canvas. 2. Matching temperatures, the secret to cohesion. Not all whites are created equal, and not all woods share the same undertones. The most common mistake in minimalist design is pairing a cool white with a warm wood. Warm on warm. If your wood elements have orange, red, or golden undertones, like cherry, teak, or natural oak, choose an off-white or cream paint. This prevents the walls from looking blue or gray in comparison to the furniture. Cool on cool. If you prefer modern, desaturated woods like gray ash or walnut, pair them with a pure white or a cool white. This creates a crisp, architectural look that feels incredibly high-end and contemporary. 3. Using wood as a visual bridge. In a minimalist apartment, you often have white walls meeting white ceilings and white countertops. Wood can be used strategically to break up these planes and define different functional zones. The floating shelf. A single, thick wooden floating shelf against a white kitchen backsplash provides a landing strip for the eye. It breaks the monotony of the tiles and adds a touch of organic texture. The wood base. If you have a white sofa, choose one with exposed wooden legs or a wooden base frame. This small sliver of wood prevents the white furniture from disappearing into the white walls, giving the piece a clear silhouette. 4. Texture contrast. Matte white versus grainy wood. Minimalism relies on the play of light to create interest. When your color palette is limited to wood and white, texture becomes your primary design tool. Flat versus form. Pair flat, matte white surfaces like handleless kitchen cabinets with heavy grain wood like reclaimed oak or elm. The contrast between the perfectly smooth man-made surface and the rugged, unpredictable nature of the wood grain creates a sophisticated, high-design tension. Soft versus hard. Soften the hard, wood and white surfaces with white textiles. A white linen curtain or a white wool rug provides a third texture that bridges the gap between the solid wood floor and the flat white walls. 5. The vertical wood element. Most people think of wood only for floors or tables. However, in a minimalist apartment, bringing wood to the walls can elevate the design to an architectural level. Slatted wood panels. A vertical slatted wood feature wall, often called a ribbed wall, behind a white bed or sofa is a masterclass in modern minimalism. It provides rhythmic lines and shadows that add depth to the room without needing any art or decoration. Wooden door frames. In an all-white apartment, replacing standard white doors with beautiful, natural wood doors and matching frames creates an entryway experience every time you move between rooms. It frames the view of each room like a piece of art. Pro tips for the modern minimalist. To ensure your wood and white apartment doesn't lose its edge, keep these 3 professional tips in mind. Mind the gap. In high-end minimalist design, The transition where wood meets white should be as clean as possible. Avoid bulky, decorative baseboards or crown molding. Use a slim, square-edged baseboard or even a shadow gap, a small recessed channel between the wall and the floor, to keep the lines sharp and intentional. 2. Limit the wood species. To keep the apartment feeling calm, try to stick to 1 or 2 types of wood. If your floor is light oak, try to find a dining table and chairs in a similar oak finish. Using 5 different types of wood, walnut, pine, oak, and maple in one small apartment creates visual noise that contradicts the minimalist philosophy. 3. Black accents as a punctuation. A wood and white room can sometimes feel a bit floaty. Adding a few tiny pops of matte black, such as a black faucet, a black door handle, or a thin black picture frame, acts like punctuation in a sentence. It grounds the room and makes the wood look warmer and the white look cleaner. Conclusion: a timeless synergy. Balancing wood and white elements is the ultimate exercise in restraint. It is about trusting that these 2 natural components are enough to create a world-class home. The white brings the light and the space, while the wood brings the life and the history. When you walk into a perfectly balanced wood and white apartment, you don't feel the urge to add anything. The space feels complete. It is a testament to the fact that when we return to the most basic elements of design, light and nature, we find the most profound sense of peace. Final thought: look at the largest white wall in your home. Would it feel more alive if a single piece of warm wood was leaning against it or mounted upon it? Sometimes, the balance is just one wooden element away.